Alright, what is going on YouTubies? What's up Team Heart? This is what we're doing today. Before I tell you what I'm doing today, this is the Hero 6, but more important information, there's not going to be a second video this week because we are heading out on a trip tomorrow morning and it is like 10:30 p.m. right now. I don't even know if I'll get time to edit this video, but I'm guessing I will somehow. So this is the video for this week. This is my GoPro Hero 6. I've had this camera for about 1.5 years. And you can see there is a cracked screen. Okay, you can't see in this view. Let me show you another view. So it's pretty weird that these days these GoPros crack up very early, unlike the other GoPros that I had. The earlier GoPros, I would say, I had the Hero 2 for about 6 years. It finally died because it was inconsistently turning off. That's probably because I got it wet in rain and like really wet and dripping in rain. Probably failed the camera. That was on my last trip and only then I switched to Hero 6 on my previous USA trip in 2018. So this I've been having for 1.5 years. 2 cracks. I don't remember when I got them. I believe one in Sri Lanka. The first crack on this side was in Sri Lanka. And the second crack probably in my last trip, which is still a secret. I still haven't told you guys. I still haven't put out the video of where is HPB next. Guess this trip. That video is not out yet. So today what we're going to do is change the lens protector of a GoPro Hero 6. Now I have to tell you the method to do this is same for Hero 6, Hero 7 and I believe Hero 5 too. Here's what we need. This is the official GoPro accessory. Got stuck. Damn it. It's a bloody bad unboxing. I never get a good unboxing. Okay, there we go. So this is the lens protector, the official GoPro lens protector. You can see the whole packaging. I'm just doing my stills for the thumbnail. I'm going to screenshot this video and take a thumbnail out of this. I would recommend go for the official accessory with this one. Although, you know, I'm not fan of all the prices of official accessories. I know I also buy a lot of third-party accessories. But for this one, I would say go with the official. And I did a mistake myself. I did not wantedly purchase. It was not intentional. I purchased another third-party accessory. I wouldn't call them fake, but they're like third-party accessory. And they do fit on the Hero 5, Hero 6, Hero 7. But what happens is the screen goes a little dull, like the lens, right? The lens goes a little yellowish. So be careful where you buy from. I was probably half asleep and I ordered it, and when it came, and this was not the packet, it was a different one. When it came, it was like in this small packaging, which is not the issue. But I was like, damn it, what the hell is this? I did not order this. I immediately returned it to Amazon. That's another good thing, you know, we do online shopping these days. You can just freaking return it. Immediately returned it to Amazon. Did not even like try to fit it on this because I knew it may fit, it may be leaky because, you know, you can use this camera just like this up to certain depth in the water, so it might be leaky if it doesn't fit properly, and it'll get the yellowish tint on the glass, which happens. It's just like your water bottles. It can get a yellowish tint. It's just like any other bad quality glass. So you want to really avoid that. You don't want that yellowish tint and then GoPro doing its own pro tune and everything, getting wrong colors, and your editing workflow gets really messy. And the other reason I really recommend the official accessory is that the price difference isn't much. I believe the third-party accessory is about $17 or $18, and this is like $20. Why would you not get it for $2 difference? Yes, there is a reason for why. Because the accessory, the lens protector accessory for Hero 6 is out of stock. Even on GoPro website and even on Amazon, it is out of stock, and this is a Hero 7's lens protector. But my camera is a Hero 6. So what's the difference? The only difference, so there's good news and bad news. The only difference is this is black in color because Hero 7 black is not this shade of gray. It is like black. So you see this part will now be black when I replace it. If you don't mind that, go for it. The good news is the the Hero 7 Black's accessory also fits on this. So let's just do this right away. Quickly. Okay. Need a second cam here. Alright, check it out. I've got a new camera woman. So this is how it goes, and I'm hoping I'll get you the footage from this pixel. You have to hold it this way, pull towards you and twist in the anti-clockwise direction. It's gonna be a little tough if you have sweaty hands like mine. Damn it. Okay, I believe we can call this a fail. It's not working. It looked very cool on everybody else's video who's put out a video on how to change the lenses. I swear it looked cooler than this, but I'm not able to do it. I'm just not able to. Maybe it's jammed over here. So what I'm gonna do is take a knife. Please, camera back, please. Don't do this at home. Do it outside. Actually, do it at home. Just be safe. Don't take a knife. Take a prying tool. I'm just trying to be cheesy with a Bear Grylls knife, which is supposed to be used outdoors. But anyway, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just slide the knife in this gap. Mind your fingers, and just pry it a little bit outside. You see that gap is being created. So pry this, and this gap gets created. Kind of do that on all three sides. I think what this does is it releases it a little bit. This lens could have been stuck here because of all the nature elements and all. So releases a little bit, and I hope this time I'm gonna get it right. Let's see. See, that was easy. That was pretty cool. I couldn't help but sometimes airtight, something becomes airtight. It is super difficult to do this. So look at all this little bit of dust over here. It's a little dusty over here, and this lens, you can still see the crack on this lens too. If you've seen my previous videos, a couple of my latest vlogs, or the ones that you'll see Sri Lanka and that secret trip that I went on, which I'm yet to announce on the next Where is HPB next video. As I said, you will see on the footage there is a thin line. I think that line might exist in my previous year's USA trip vlogs too. That's because of this crack. It causes a small reflection. It was not a big hindrance when the crack was, there was like one crack, then it became two, and now there are like 3 spots on this which is cracked. So we're gonna replace it. Now this is how the camera will look. That's how GoPro Hero 5, Hero 6, Hero 7 look when the lens protector is taken off. Hero 8 looks different, and this is the lens protector. Now let's take out, let's see. Let's see what we got in this. Yeah, here's. Ooh la la. So there's no manual in here. So you gotta probably know how to change. Yeah, there's literally, oh yeah, shit. There is a manual right here on the top. I'm blind. I'm sorry, I'm blind. Sometimes. So here's the new lens. Here's the old lens. The new lens, as you can see the difference, they're a little different shade here. You see this? And there is like a gold lining, I believe. There's like a thick pronounced gold lining over here, not in here. All right, let's do this. Okay, this one is a little bit different. So how we removed that thing was to pull out and twist it anti-clockwise. Now this, how do we put this back? It goes on like this. So this is the angle at which you hold it. You see, at this angle it gets the closest in the camera. It gets the closest on the camera. In these angles, these other angles, you can't fit it. Look, there's a gap. You can't push it in. This is the angle at which it accepts, this threading accepts. So here you go, and then simply push together and twist it clockwise. Even this looked very easy on the videos. Now it's not twisting. Why? Okay, that's done. Ooh. That, I don't think that looks any bad. It looks pretty cool actually with the black lens and the grayish camera. I see. Don't you think? It kind of looks cool with the black lens. Yeah, Hero 7 lens. So here you go, GoPro Hero 6 or Hero 7 or Hero 5 lens replacement. This is how it goes. And yet again, I cannot stress, get the official accessory. It's not big difference. It's not something you're gonna save a lot of money or anything on that. So that's it for this video. I hope tomorrow's videos that I'm gonna shoot with this will not have that annoying line and look pretty cool. And I have another camera to unbox, which is something I'll reveal in 2020. A new piece of gear. So stay tuned for that, and I'm gonna head off for my trip. This is Heartbroken Biker signing off. Sayonara.